We'll guide you through how to make black bars transition After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, create two black solid layers from the layer menu. Place one black solid layer at the top of the composition and place the other black solid layer at the bottom. Adjust their size so they look like horizontal bars covering only the top and bottom sections of the screen. After positioning the bars, select both solid layers in the timeline. Press P on the keyboard to open the position property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to position for both layers. This creates the first keyframes at the current playhead location. Move the playhead forward to the point where the bars should begin closing. Then animate the bars moving inward by changing their position values. Move the top bar downward and move the bottom bar upward until they meet in the center. Continue the animation until the bars fully cover the screen. Once the screen is fully covered, switch to the second clip in the timeline so the next scene appears behind the bars. After that, move the playhead forward again and animate the bars moving outward. Move the top bar upward back to its starting position and move the bottom bar downward back to its starting position. After creating the movement, add motion blur to both black bar layers to make the animation smoother and more natural. Enable motion blur for the layers and activate motion blur in the timeline controls. Next, preview the animation by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Watch carefully to make sure the bars close smoothly. Hide the first clip completely, then open cleanly to reveal the second clip. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check the output settings if needed, then click Render to export the final video. Your black bars transition is complete.